Welcome to Market Insight Weekly. Today we'll be looking into the OBS Studio setup and configuration. OBS is open broadcaster software used for video streaming and screen recording. In order to start using it, we need to first install the software. To install, we'll go to obsproject.com. On home screen, we'll find an option to install our OBS Studio for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So Windows, it support Windows 10 and Windows 11. Mac OS, it support Mac OS 12 or newer. So according to your preference, you can install the OBS Studio. After you're done installing, it's time to do some configuration. So we'll go to the settings inside OBS Studio. So we'll have a lot of setting over here. So we'll look for the stream, output, audio, and video. For stream, we have an option to select our streaming service. Currently, I have selected my YouTube channel. You can select Facebook, Twitter, whatever you like. Under output, you have an option to change your recording path and recording format and recording quality as well. Currently, I'm unable to open and show you all the options as OBS Studio disable while recording. So recording format by default is MOV. You can change it to MP4. And recording quality, I have selected indistinguishable quality, large file size. Recording path, I have changed according to my preference. So you can follow the same. For audio, you can go to the option which you need to change is to you need to change or select your microphone. So there are a lot of options. I have selected my MacBook microphone over here. For video, you have an option to change the resolution of your base canvas and output canvas. I have selected the resolution according to my YouTube video, which is generally considered as acceptable. So whatever you prefer, you can choose the resolution over here. I can't show you all other resolution because OBS Studio disables some option while recording. So you can try over here. So these are some of the options we need to configure while we start using our streaming or recording in OBS. Hope you find it useful.